How are you, Fiza?
I'm fine.
You enjoyed today in the school?
Yeah.
Oh, my baby.
Mommy,
Yes.
can I see cartoon?
Yes, I love you.
I love you too.
Mwah.
Hi guys. I'm so sleepy. I came in the school.
So you are tired today? Why?
Because
Your friends came to the school?
yeah, Siram and Anas.
You like
and
them?
Anas was not coming.
You like Sairam and Anas?
Siram was beating us
Oh my God, why?
because he don't like us.
Okay, so say bye to guys.
Bye. I'm going home. I'm seeing the all cartoons.
On the way you will see cartoons? You will watch? Oh, unicorn cartoons. Okay, Fizza. So how was your day? I mean, what you did in the school today?
I read the numbers on the left.
You did numbers?
Yeah.
And you did coloring also? And you painted that also, right? The plastic. You enjoyed that?
Yeah. And I press the buttons like this. There's a pump, pump, pump.
So you enjoyed, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Enjoy your cartoons. Bye-bye.